Alright, this is just a very brief follow-up video to creating an e-news because the last one got cut off. So once you finish your e-news, you get to this page, which is your page to coordinate how you're going to send the e-news. The first area to look at is here. Who are you going to send it to? This will be predetermined. Some e-newses we send to the whole group by just clicking here. Some we'll send to certain subsets based on location or interest group. So that'll be all predetermined. You'll check the appropriate boxes there. Then you'll go down, just double check that your subject heading is what you want. Then I usually go in and uncheck this box, and then you can either send it right now, clicking here and then clicking send now, or you can schedule it for later by clicking here and then picking a date and time to send it, and then click schedule, and then you're finished.